Okay, so you're growing a business. You might be hiring and training, scaling remote teams, opening new locations, or just trying to organize the chaos of your processes. The good news is Trainual helps with all of that, because Trainual is your complete guide, your playbook for running your business. Let me show you how it works. Inside the app, think of My Desk as, well, your desk. It's all the content assigned to you and how up to speed you are at a glance. Create and organize all of your company's onboarding content in the Company section. It's where your founding story, your culture, your values, and your products and services can live. In a growing company, it can be hard to keep up with who's who and who does what. The People section is the answer. Invite and manage your team, visualize everyone in the directory, and build out your org chart. Then, capture all the roles and responsibilities in your business and assign roles to people. Here's the magic. You can link individual responsibilities to the content that trains people on how to actually do the thing. How about one spot to centralize all your company need-to-knows? That's policies. You know, like time off, work from home, your office policies. They all go here. In processes, document how you do what you do with simple step-by-step trainings that make it easier than ever to delegate. You can add videos, PDFs, and tons of other types of media from thousands of places with our quick embed function. And keeping your team accountable is a breeze with easy to build tests. Reports is where you can track your people's progress. Is everyone up to date? Do they know what they need to know? Accountability happens here. And that's Trainual, the best way to systemize and scale your business, the easiest way to train and grow your team. Start your free trial today.